Hello everyone, I am Aditya Gotkhinde from Electronics branch. Today I will demonstrate how to create an virtual machine on VMware. So first of all, open VMware. I have used VMware Workstation 17 player for this particular demonstration. So in VMware, first of all, select the option create new virtual machine. In this step, you will have to install the guest operating system. So you can either install using a DVD drive, a physical DVD drive, or a ISO image. So I will install the operating system using an ISO image and browse the path of the ISO image in your computer. I will just click on it and move on to the next step. And here you will be have to select the operating system. So the operating system is Linux and its version is Debian 6. The particular operating system which I have selected. If you have selected another one, you can browse through the options here and select your particular version of the operating system and move on to the next step. So here you have to name the virtual machine. I will just name it as IC evaluation to give the location where the virtual machine will store its files and memory. So I will just keep it by default and move on to the next step. So here you have to specify the disk capacity for your virtual machine. So the recommended size is 20 GB. Uh, According to your requirement, you can increase the space, and also you can store the virtual disk as a single file or multiple files. Storing it as a single file improves the performance, while storing as into multiple files makes it easy to switch to another computer, switch the virtual machine to another computer. So I will split it into multiple files and move on to the next step. So the virtual machine is ready to create. You can just customize your hardware. So here you can see the memory RAM allocated is 2 GB. The number of processor is one core. I will just make it two cores, and the ISO file is also added, and you can add a particular hardware or remove from this given set of hardwares. So just if I have to add a DVD drive, I'll just add one DVD drive. So here you can see now two DVD drives are created. So according to your need and the requirement, you can customize this hardware. I will just close this for now and just finish. So your created virtual machines will appear here. So the one I created right now, IC evaluation, is right here, and the previous one which I had created is right here. So just play the virtual machine. So the creation of the virtual machine is over now. So now you have to just set up the operating system. I will just quickly set up the operating system. Just select the language of your virtual machine and the time zone and the configuration of the keyboard. You can select according to your requirement and continue. So the operating system will detect and mount the installation media. Just wait for it to complete. You will just have to name your machine. I will just name it. In this step, you have to just select the software. I will just let it be default. The software is installed. Just click on yes, and with the installation of the bootloader, it will just finish the installation. So the installation is now finished. Just click continue and the system will reboot and your virtual machine will start. The installation process for the virtual machine has ended. So you can just log in using the username and password which you created in the previous steps. So this is the virtual machine with its operating system that you just created. So you can perform all the required tasks in this virtual machine. So this was all about creating a virtual machine on VMware. Thank you.